The citation reads,
Commission on Higher Education Regional Office 4, Calabarzon awards this certificate of recognition to, in recognition of their exceptional achievement as
Yes.
top 5
Hello.
national level winner in the 24 PAS for Higher Education Awards, setting benchmark for excellence in higher education. Given this 30th day of May 2024 at Shed Regional Office 4, Lipasin, Batangas, Philippines. Signed, Dr. Freddy B. Bulawan, OIC, Office of the Director 4.
para kung may pa-suspense, let us watch the video first.